questions from a real 2025 placement paper. One of them stumped 60% of the students. Can you solve them in 90 seconds? Let's go. Hi, this is Harismita. Today, I'll be discussing the real 2025 placement question paper that was asked in a company interview. Okay, so let's quickly start. So now you can pause the video to analyze the question more. What I'm just telling you, I'll just tell you the gist of the questions. So this question, they have given you that you have a lumber. Lumber is nothing but a wood. You can take a wood. Okay. So you have to make a rectangular lumber which is of this shape. Okay. And it should be of the length 4, 5 and 6 feet. To understand this question, pause the video, then you can understand it, then you can come to the solution part. Now, what they have told is you have to cut 3 pieces from the flower lumber. Okay, and if you cut from the wood, you will lose extra. For one cut, you will be losing 1/8 inch. So these are given in feet and this is given in inch. So take that into consideration. Okay. So take this into consideration that this is an inch and this is a feet. Now what they asked is among the following length in inches. They asked the question in inches. So what you have to do? You have to convert from feet to inches. Okay. Which is the shortest piece that he can use to cut the pieces of flower bed border. So you have a wood, you have to cut that and you have to make this shape. This is 4, 5 and I hope it is clear. So this is 4, okay, this is 4 and this is 5 and this is 6 and this is x degree. Here is A, C and this is B and this degree is nothing but beta, okay. So I hope it is clear, and if you want this question paper also, I'll just comment me below. I'll just give you the link of it. Now let's go solve it. So first, I already told you, you have a wooden frame, right? So wooden frame, you are having it, right? So this is your wooden frame. So first you have to cut this one. This 4 feet you have to cut. So if I cut this 4 feet, so basically that will be from here to here. Say this is your 4 feet. So, so this is your 4 feet. I have to convert that into inches. So if I convert 4 feet into inches, I have to just multiply by 12. So 4 into 12, right? So this is your conversion and this is your inches, which is 48 inches you will be cutting in this wooden. Now, when you cut one cut, you will be losing 1/8 of the 1/8 inch. So you will be losing how many inch? 1/8 feet you will be. Inch or feet, yeah, you'll be losing 1/8 inch. Okay, so you will be losing that 1/8 inch. Now again I have to cut remaining 5. So I have to cut one more 5 and one more 6. So when I cut 5, this distance is nothing but 5. I'm cutting it. So when I convert it, what will become? It will become 5 into 12, which is nothing but 60 inches. Okay, so this symbol represents the inches. Now after this, again you'll be having the separation, right? The separation for one more cut, you'll be having 1/8 inch be wasted from it. Then remaining, what you should have? Remaining you should have 6 inches cut from this. So remaining, let me take till here, it is 6 inches. So sorry, 6 feet, and when I convert it into inches, this is nothing but 72 inches. Now what is my question? My question is nothing but you have to find the, what are you supposed to find? You have to find the length or the length of the shortest piece. So now I have to basically add all the lengths. So this length will be a shortest length for finding the measurements, right? So which is 48 plus 1/8 plus 60 plus 72 plus again 1/8. So when I add all these things, you will be getting approximately 180.25. So I should get the shortest length, and that should always be, I already told you, it is in whole numbers only. So you have to choose the next next successor, next whole number of it. Your next whole number of this is nothing but 181. So 181 inches is the shortest length from which you can cut those measurements. So this is your answer. Why are we choosing the greater one? Because you are finding the shortest length. So when you find 180, this remaining 0.25 will be missing. That's why. Okay. So now next one, what are they asking? Next one, after arranging. So you are arranging the remaining flower bed in a different way such that your it takes a right angle at A. So you are arranging in such a way that it takes right angle. I hope you know right angle, which is 90 degree. So A has right angle, and what do they say? A, B and AC is nothing but 4 and 5. AB and AC, right? So which is AB, AC, this is 4 and this is 5. Now what are they asking? They are asking how long the piece of lumber would he replace the 6 foot. So if you replace the 6 foot, what will the BC be? Basically they are asking you what is your BC. Okay, because obviously when you find the answer, it won't be 6. So with what are you replacing? That is your question. So what you should do? You should follow Pythagoras theorem. So let me assign this as h. So by Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to 4 square plus 5 square, which is nothing but h is equal to root of 16 plus 25. So h is equal to root 41. So h is approximately equal to 6.4. So these are in feet only. Okay. So see, these are in feet. So I'll give you an answer in feet only. Okay. Now remaining question. So beta in terms of x. Beta in terms of x, this is x, right? So beta will be 360 minus x. Okay. And in this, the diagram is not so clear. So it will be 360 minus x, or it can be 180 minus x. Depends on whether the triangle is in this way or other way. Okay. So beta is angle in B. So basically this is x, they're saying remaining is your beta. So which is 360 minus x only. Okay. So your next answer is 360 minus x is your beta. You have to represent beta in terms of x. So I guess we'll be able to cover just one more question in this video, and the remaining 2 questions I'll give you as a part 2 video. So see, a sheep, this was actually asked in the question paper. See, a sheep, when you just pause it and read it. So they asked you how old is the herder. So basically in this question, there is no information given to find how old is the herder. Okay, we can't find any relation. So the answer, you have to write in your question paper itself, the answer cannot be determined since sufficient information is not given. So these kinds of question also they are asking in your placement. This is the placement question paper only, which was asked in this year. Okay, this year placement. Okay, so just write this is there's no sufficient data to find this question. So that's all. So remaining 2 questions I'll be continuing in the next video, which is part 2 of it. Just if you want more such videos, just comment below. Thank you.